Hey, we got a mission to do. What are you guys doing?
We're playing Rock Band.
Oh, I love this game. What song?
Spoon Man.
Dude, great song. Okay, so, we're gonna, yeah, we got a mission to do, though, so, kinda gotta go.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah. Whoa, we got a foosball table? Since when? God. Get on the other side. Fail. Okay. So what was this mission about? So now that we saw we have a foosball table, where's our leader?
I don't know.
Oh my God! He's dead! Leader? Yeah, he's dead.
Oh no.
I'm sorry, it's just our leader died and I didn't know what to expect coming through the door. Oh, Spoon Man, I love this song. We gotta figure out who did this to him. Wait a minute. Where'd he go? What the heck?
How?
Lock and load. What the heck? What's his wallet? It's on the chain. Oh my God. Extra handgun. What the heck? I thought I threw him away. What's going on? How does he keep getting here?
Oh my God, he just ran in. David, Punchy, stick to the queen, Punchy. Yes, let's go, let's go. Stick to the pledge, stick to the queen. Punchy, oh fuck. Get my intervention. Hurry up.
The analyst, what are you doing here?
Oh,
Hey! Wonder what she was hiding. What the heck? This is bad. No, stop.
okay.
I just realized we're in a mirror. You can see the camera person.
Ah! I started! I hate you.
I didn't say go. I wasn't ready. Yeah, none of us. Oh God, it's cold! Oh God, it's cold! I hate my life!
I'm not ready yet.
You okay?
What?
You said okay.